Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years. We're dedicated to delivering quality auto parts, expert customer service, fast and free shipping, all backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. So visit us at 1AAuto.com, your trusted source for quality auto parts.
In this video, we're going to be working with a 2004 Ford Crown Victoria 4.6 liter V8. We're going to show you how to remove and replace your vehicle's EGR valve, which is located on the back side of the throttle body inlet over there. If you like this video, please click subscribe. We have a ton more information on this and many other vehicles. And if you need this part for your car, you can follow the link down in the description over to 1AAuto.com. Here are the items you'll need for this repair. Remove your vehicle's engine cover. All you need for this is a 1/4-inch drive ratchet and extension, and you just put the drive of the ratchet into the fastener at the top of your engine cover. Loosen it up, lift and slide forward off the tabs at the front and remove it. The EGR heat shield for the tube is located here behind the EGR valve on the passenger side. We have an aftermarket intake on ours, so we have two 7mm screws securing it in place. Yours should have two 10mm bolts if it's an original manifold. Either way, we'll remove this with the appropriate socket, ratchet, and extension. Now, since we're not moving the EGR tube, we can just slide that heat shield to the back. Loosen the nut for the EGR tube. We don't have a big enough wrench for this. I believe it's 1 1/16 or maybe a 27 or a 28mm. But if yours isn't really frozen on there, you should be able to move it with a nice pair of groove jaw pliers. And normally you could spin this out by hand, but our vehicle was just run a few minutes ago, so it's really hot. We'll remove it with our pliers. Disconnect the electrical connector, as well as the two vacuum hoses. The black one goes at the top, the red one below that. Just move them off to the side and remove our two 10mm bolts with a 10mm socket, ratchet, and extension. Remove your EGR valve from the vehicle. Cool feature about the EGR gasket is that it's got square holes that lock onto the threads of your bolts. So just spin that in about one thread just to get it in place. Do the same thing with your other bolt. Once it's lined up, you know your gasket's in place. You can tighten your two 10mm screws. Torque the 10mm bolts to 15 foot-pounds. Reconnect the electrical connector, as well as your vacuum lines. Remember, red at the bottom, black at the top. Line up the heat shield bolts and reinstall. Slide your engine cover back over the two front tabs. And tighten down the 1/4-inch drive fastener at the top.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.